I have a report due in tomorrow. I feel like this time of year with uni is just always like busy. Like November, December is just like the busiest times of uni. I just feel like I have so many essays and stuff in. I literally had the wildest Saturday night last night. I was doing a practice test for my marketing class. It was wild, honestly. Like, you're so jealous that you missed out, aren't you? I also need to whiten my teeth. I've drank far too much coffee without like a straw or something recently, and my teeth, they need whitened. I also woke up with a spot here, which is from wearing my mask at work yesterday. I'm gonna stick on my music. When I study, I always listen to, I have a playlist on Spotify called Background Noise. I always just listen to that because it's quite like chilled music, so I always just shove that on my wee Google Home. Let's test it out. Okay Google, play Spotify.
Sure, playing Spotify.
Oh mate, she's put on like the Arctic Monkeys. There we go, that is better. So I've got my book, my laptop and my notebook here, and I'm gonna sit and we're gonna finish this report. Bit of a rush this morning, but made it. Went and got my nails done. Oh, peep the wee Yoda in the background. Went and got my nails done today by Holly. I just wanted something like simple. They're very cute. I'm home now. I was going to meet my mum at the park for a walk, but she's waiting on a delivery. It's such a nice day today. I'm in such a good mood. I was in such a bad mood all week because it's been horrible, but today we're in a good mood. I was thinking, I'm proud of myself when I go like a drive, because I'm like, I hate driving, but yeah, I'm just gonna go in, get something to eat because I didn't have time to get breakfast. Go on, show my vlog. I must have no horse in me. It's maiden tail. Oh, is that? What's the order for me? It's more the fact that you can still see the big fuck off chunks in your eye. Look at Mandy's feeling herself. Tell you what man, never a dull moment in this house, that's it. Ooh. Look, it covers my nips. Mom! Good morning, happy Friday. I was in a wee bit of a bad mood this morning, but you know, I put some music on, filmed some TikToks, and I've put myself in a fab mood. The weather, not looking too promising outside, not gonna lie. I am going over to the West End today. I'm excited. Basically, we're going back into lockdown. Well, we're going into tier 4. Oh my god, did you hear my tummy rumble there? We're going back into tier 4 at 6 PM tonight, so I wanted to get out the house and do something before. Oh god, there's a squirrel outside. Hey, I can actually need to leave like right now. What is this with me like running late? I am never late to things anymore, and all of a sudden I am late all the time. Took some time getting ready, doing my hair and makeup this morning. Things like that just always like perk me up, so did that. Yeah, gonna get in the Razmobile, taking her out 2 days in a row. She's a lucky gal, her. And we're gonna drive to the West End. I'm so excited. Decided I'm too scared to drive in my heel boots, so I'm gonna wear my trainers and take my boots with me. Also switching up my coats today. Usually I always wear my Burberry trench, but we're going with my wee like Zara, it's like pleather. I'm gonna wear that today just because it's raining and I feel like that will be more like waterproof. I've also just remembered I was meant to put files on an SD card for Christy and I forgot. Shit. I made it and I didn't even stall my car once. I got stuck on like a hill and I was pure like, oh my god, I was like the front of the queue at the lights and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna stall it, I'm gonna stall it, that's it, it's happening. And I didn't. People actually be like, Keira, you're so pathetic. All the stuff's just filling my bag. People will be like, you're so pathetic, but do you know what, that's an achievement for me. That one's coming, don't want them to see me vlogging. But I'm just waiting on Christy now. I thought I was going to be late, well I'm like 10 minutes late, but I suppose this is Christy we're talking about. No, look at me. Look at me doing. Good morning. This week has been a pure shambles. I've been up since 6:30. My sleeping pattern's ruined, so we're looking a little bit puffy today. Do you know what? I saw someone do this thing. I'm gonna go get a nice scoop and try it. Here, by the way, that is so nice. I'm talking really quietly because like everyone's still sleeping. I'm working today. I'm classed as an essential worker. So I'm working today. Oh, Keira, you need to get a grip, man. You need to get a grip. I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea and sort this ugly situation out. See the saxophone? It always reminds me of Lisa Simpson. Come to IKEA this morning on a adventure. So far we've got some wine glasses. The essentials. Basically we came for drawers for my dressing room because I buy too much clothes. We're looking for some nice plates for Christmas. I'm in charge of the table this year. I don't even know if you can hear me. I just can't pull that. We got a bunch of stuff for the Christmas table. No offence, Mum, but I can't be bothered with your confetti and shit. So I want to make it aesthetically pleasing, as I try and do with everything in my life. I think I'm gonna just end this vlog here. The rest of the day I'm just gonna chill. It's like 2 o'clock, 2:30, maybe watch some Ozark. Yeah, just take it easy. I hope everyone is staying safe and you're all staying somewhat sane during this situation. I know it's like so difficult, but as I always say in my videos, like if anyone needs someone to chat to, like just feel free to give me a wee message if anyone needs a wee chat. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!